when four automotive companies, Horch, Audi, DKW, and Wanderer, merged to form Auto Union. This was when the iconic four-ring logo was born, symbolizing progress and engineering excellence. At that time, Auto Union covered different market segments. DKW produced small cars, Wanderer focused on comfortable mid-range vehicles, Horch built luxury cars for the elite, and Audi specialized in innovative solutions. But the journey wasn't easy. World War II nearly destroyed Auto Union, and it wasn't until 1949 that the company began to recover. The real turning point came in 1965, when the Audi brand was reborn. That year saw the launch of the Audi 72, a car that laid the foundation for future models. The 1970s were a time of innovation. In 1972, the Audi 80 set new standards for compact cars, followed by the first Audi 100 in 1976. But the biggest breakthrough came in 1980 with the introduction of the legendary Audi Quattro. It was a revolution. With all-wheel drive, incredible handling, and impressive power, the Quattro made Audi a dominant force in rally racing and inspired an entire generation of engineers. In the 1990s, Audi took on premium brands head-to-head. The market saw the release of the A4, A6, and the luxurious A8, the world's first production car with a fully aluminum body. This was a bold challenge to competitors, and Audi embraced it with confidence. The 2000s brought us the Audi R8, the company's first supercar. Inspired by Formula One technology, the R8 proved that Audi could do more than just make comfortable sedans. It could build true high-performance road cars. By the 2010s, Audi was expanding its lineup with new RS models, Q-Series SUVs, and hybrid vehicles. But the most important milestone came in 2018 with the debut of Audi's first fully electric SUV, the e-tron. It was a glimpse into the future, but now in 2025, Audi has fully transitioned to electric vehicles. The new flagship, the Audi Q6 e-tron, features cutting-edge technology, autonomous driving, an intelligent control system, and powerful batteries capable of traveling over 700 kilometers on a single charge. In just over 100 years, Audi has evolved from classic 1930s cars to the electric vehicles of the future. And who knows what frontiers lie ahead?